Yeah. So to continue alcohol chapter. So in this one, so for example here I can see this alcohol is there and the double bond is there and ester is there. So excess Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent, it won't affect the alcoholic functional group. It can form excess. So now the tertiary alcohols then followed by oxidation. So by using of oxidizing agent like Na2, Cr2O7 and H in acidic medium, so followed by dialysis. So now this alcoholic group converted into ketone. So here because of this is the tertiary alcohol, so no oxidation. Why? Because the tertiary alcohols normally it won't undergo oxidation reaction. And so continue. So for example you can see here, now this is the tertiary alcohol reaction with hydrogen halides. It can give the SN1 reaction. So tertiary alkyl halides and H2. So this is the mechanism of SN1 reaction. So we will see that alcohol is there, lone pair of electrons, and so it will abstract the proton from the halogenic acid. Then it can form a now the bond will because the hydronium and the bond will break here. So it will form a sp2 carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation, then followed by addition of bromine. So this is the first step and this first one is the slow step. So finally the obtained product is tertiary butyl bromide. So another one, so primary alcohols will react with HBr via SN2 mechanism. So primary alcohols means SN2 reaction, whereas the tertiary alcohols means SN1 mechanism, right? So why? Because it can form like this. So now it won't form a concerted mechanism. Now it is a concerted. You can see no, there is no intermediate. So bromine attack here and alkyl halides. So that's why. So now the hydroxyl group is a first protonated, so then converting into an excellent leaving group, so followed by SN2 reaction. So now this is the propanol reaction with the HBr. It will form, works very well, and 1 bromopropane. And even the, for example, HBr it works very well, but HCl, so no reaction. Please remember, same propanol reaction with HCl, no reaction. So that's why we need a catalyst. ZnCl2 as a Lewis acid can be used as a catalyst. So alcohol reaction with HCl, ZnCl2 as a catalyst. So then only the reaction undergoes very smoothly. So what is the mechanism? The lone pair of electron is there because ZnCl2 act as a Lewis acid, and finally it can very good leaving group now. So it can attack Cl minus ion. So finally we will get the alkyl chloride. So another one, for example, OH is the very, we know that OH group is very bad leaving group. So tosyl chloride. So what is the structure of tosyl chloride? So now this is the tosyl chloride. So this tosyl chloride in place of a pyridine base, now it is a OTS is formed. So now OTS is the better leaving group. Please remember that OTS is the better leaving group. So finally the second step, so reaction with the halide ion, so SN2 reaction it will follow, but you can see the stereochemistry. So now this is the upside and now this the product is downside. So that this reaction is called a complete inversion. So complete inversion reaction. So these are the reactions. You can see now OH is there and tosyl chloride followed by Na plus Br minus, so that substitution, and OH reaction with SOCl2 also can be converted. Even alcohol reaction with PBr also halogenic compounds. So here bromine is there and OH is there. So magnesium. So I told already, hypothetically Grignard reagent cannot be formed. So hypothetically here does not form, but magnesium. So in this one we have to protect one of the compound, so that so directly magnesium it can form, and so we may expect like this product, but this is not the correct pathway. So hypothetically we can assume that because this OH also is there, it can affect. So that's why, so what we have to do, we have to protect the OH group. So by using protection, then now the bromine is very free, so it can react with magnesium and forms the a magnesium bromide, then reaction with the ketone and it will form a, then we have to remove the protecting group. So that's why what is this called, this is called protection and deprotection. So very important oxygen OH group protecting group is that trimethyl silyl chloride. So trimethyl silyl chloride is very important reagent to protect. First one, so by using of a base react with trimethyl silyl chloride or ROTMS it will form. So then, so now OH group is protected. So then reaction with Grignard reagent. So like this it will form. So finally wood can deprotect by using of tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride. So finally we can deprotect, so like this. So OH reaction with TMSCl and triethylamine, so now the protected and magnesium. So finally it can obtain the nice examples. Okay, so these are the some of the conversions, please note down. So identify the reagents, question number 1 and question number 2. And the next class, so we'll see the phenolic. Thank you.